My Harbor Breeze fan, light won't turn on at all. The remote lights up but the light or fan won't come on. It's pretty much brand new.
Do you know the model of your Harbor Breeze lighting? How old is it?
I purchased it for a seasonal cabin last fall. It worked for 2 weeks and then nothing. It's a low profile. I don't have model number.
How long has this been going on with your Harbor Breeze lighting? What have you tried so far?
I tried resetting the remote by depressing the button.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It worked fine for 2 weeks, then nothing. I shut down my cabin for winter and just starting to troubleshoot now.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please note that you may see an offer for a phone consultation, for an additional fee. This offer is automatically generated by the website, and does not originate from me. You can ignore it, unless you would like a phone consultation. Do you have a voltmeter that we can use to troubleshoot this issue?
No. The ceiling fan is remote only.
Okay. Do you think there's any chance that the dip switch settings on the remote may have been changed? The dip switches are typically located in the remote's battery compartment, as a set of 4. They can be set to 2 different positions.
They shouldn't have been. They are all in the down position. Should I flip them all up?
No, I wouldn't do that. The switch setting is the first place we start with troubleshooting this issue, particularly when no voltmeter is available for troubleshooting. Would you be able to get a meter?
I can get one probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow works. I have to be away from home for a little while tomorrow. If you reply here while I am offline, I'll find your reply as soon as I log in, and respond accordingly.
Perfect, thanks.
Happy to help. Talk with you soon.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.